So hey guys, this is Aditya Matre and welcome back to the channel. And today we will be talking about something called automation using Python. So automation is basically the task which you can do manually, but there are lots of data that you have to download or get or scrape. So you can do it using automation that you have to write a script for what you can do manually and just add it to the loop, and it will do same thing for lots of amount of data, so you save your time as well as your work. So let's just go and write simple script to download all the images of the Pokemon. Okay, so for that we have to find some place or some website where we can get all the images of the Pokemon with some pattern, which we on the basis of which we can download the images. So I will just search Pokemon. There is a site, official site of the Pokemon. There is a section called Pokédex in which they have all the Pokemon's data and images. So I will just go to this Bulbasaur link, and if I right click on this image and go to view image, then you can see there is this website where the image is stored. So I will go and check if all the Pokemons are in the same pattern. We'll go like 516. Okay, the same. I think there are some 890 Pokemons there. Yes, Eternatus, which is last Pokemon in Sword and Shield. So there are 890 Pokemons there. I will download all these images. So I will go and copy this link up till here, and let's just declare a link variable and add that link to this variable. Since we are going to request the web page and download the content, so we need a request library. So I will go and import that, and then since there are like all pattern is in the numbers, so we will create a list for the numbers, because as you can see there, every Pokemon's like link is in number is in 3 digits, so there is no 1.png but 001.png. So we will create a list of strings which will be from 001 to 890. So I will just go and add a for loop for I in, like there are 890 Pokemon, so range 891, and if number is less than 10, then we will be adding 00 before that. So I will just do like I will just create a blank list first, num list, let's say, and we will append the values in here. So num list dot append 00 plus string of this I will just copy this. If I is less than 100, then we'll just add 10 there. Okay. And if the number is greater than 100, then we don't have to add any prefix to the that number. Okay, just less string of I. So we have created num list. So let's just create a method which will do our task one by one. So I will create a method called as getImage, and I will pass uh, the number, or I will say Pokédex number of the Pokemon from which we will get the data. So first we will create a response and make a request.get link, which will be this, and plus the number. Okay, dot png. So here we have to do number.png. So it will make, if the number is let's say 001, then it will make request to this website / 001.png. Since after making the request, we have to get its content and download it into a file. So we will just go and create, let's just say, we have to make sure that the request is right and there exists a page with of the link that we will be passed to the request. So we will just write there, if response dot status code not equal to 404. If it is equal to 404, then there doesn't exist any page of that link. So if it is not 404, then there exists the link, and we will get the data of the link in the file. So we will create a file handler with, let's just say, we will also name the files same as 001.png to 890.png. So I will just pass new plus dot png with permission of wb as handler. So we will be storing this content from the response in this in this file that we will be creating. So handler dot write in the bracket resp dot content. Okay, so the content will be saved in this, let's just say, from for the signal we will be, like, if image is downloaded, then we will indicate that image is downloaded. So new, let's say, is done. Okay, so we have to go here and give this list num list to this get image function, so, or method. So for I in num list get image dot I. Okay, so it will not download all the 891 images, but 891 is a lot to show in the video, so it will take a lot of time. So I will just go and give it like 101, so it will, or 151 for all the first generation Pokemons. So I will go and run this script, and it will download all the images. So okay, so it is creating a num list right now. Okay, we have got a error here. So type a built-in function or method object is not subscriptable. Okay, where did we go wrong? Okay, we have given this square bracket here instead of a parenthesis. I will just go there and okay, sorry for that. And now we will, okay, so image is getting downloaded. Okay, 044. Let's just see if images are getting downloaded. I will go on the desktop. Okay, so as you can see, all the images are getting downloaded. So this is how you can do automations of the task. You can also do it for, like, if you have list of the links and you have to get the data or something which is in the p tag or a tag from that link, you can do web scraping for that. But since it is on the new pages every time, you will have to use automation, that is a for loop for this thing to get all the information. So thank you for watching. subscribe to the channel. If you like the video, give it a thumbs up. If you don't like this video, give it a thumbs down. So thank you for watching.